Okay, here's the finished unit. Got everything wired up, everything working, charging circuit, all that. I do have a cover for over the batteries. I just have it open to show you what we have here. Okay, I have everything labeled. I have a switch for the USB positive negative terminal for the charging circuit. Voltage for the batteries, which I don't think you could see it. It's too bright. There we go. Heavy duty output, positive negative. I have a 12 volt receptacle, waterproofed, marine. I have the two USBs. Turn it on. So that's what the switch is for up there. And there's plenty of room to put a power inverter in there and the wires. So we can carry everything we need. Just keeps it safe from shorting out. That's all there is to that. Cool, huh?